So, when we get into the predictions for a particular sign or an ascendant, we need to understand the malefics and the benefics. So, today, the malefics and the benefics for the sign of Aquarius is to be understood. And when we are understanding for the Aquarius ascendant, then the question of Jupiter being the second and the 11th lord, whether it is a benefic or a malefic, because 11th lords are always malefics, but the second lord is the Dhanakaraka, the one who gives wealth. So, how to decide that? Or when we get into the planetary significations of Mercury, fantastic being the fifth lord. And what about it if it is the eighth lord? So, partial benefic, partial malefic. So, what does it actually mean? Whether partial benefic means that it will do good things in one particular area of life, and partial malefic means that the other area of life it is going to give you difficulties. So, Mercury and Moon being the sixth lord, that is the Rogasthana Adhipati, or we call it as the lord of the house of diseases or deaths, can give a combination, that is the sixth and the eighth lord Mercury sitting together, Moon and Mercury sitting together in tough places in this chart, can give difficulties of sudden death, sudden debt, not death, debt, and sudden losses, or unnecessarily going into business from job and then getting into difficulties, getting stuck with regard to financial difficulties, or getting into difficulties of overthinking and procrastination. So, if you have to understand the whole thing, the video now below is attached, and you can please go through that video. You can click that video. You will understand a detailed explanation which I have given on benefics and malefics for the sign of Aquarius.